So I had to re-record the Unit 1 overview video. So the easiest way to switch it out is to delete what's currently in the course. In Unit 1, if you've already copied, just delete it and permanently delete it. And then go to Upload and Create, and you want to create a video. And then I'll send you the embed code. So I'm going to copy that. I'll email you the embed code, but when it says to enter the embed code, just paste that in there and then just call it Unit 1 Overview Video and click Save, and then it'll be there. You'll just need to go back out to the main Unit 1 page. It'll be all the way at the bottom. So I just take that and grab it, and then I will pull it up so that it's the second item. And then I'm just going to go to Unit 4 and grab the video description. I'll just copy that description. All the descriptions are the same. And then I'll go back and go to Edit Properties, add a description, paste that in, and just change that to Unit 1. And now it'll be the more up-to-date Unit 1 video. So as soon as the captions process, I'll go ahead and, or as soon as the captions process, I'll go in and revise them, and then that'll automatically feed it if you do it as an embed. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.